Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly quick and easy recipes. Craving a warm hug on a chilly evening? Look no further than a steaming bowl of homemade tomato soup. Forget the canned stuff. We're going on a culinary adventure that's as easy as it is delicious. This recipe is so simple, you'll be amazed at the bursts of flavor dancing on your taste buds. Get ready to don your aprons and create magic in the kitchen. Before we embark on this culinary journey, let's rally our ingredients. It's always exciting to see the raw materials that will soon be transformed into a delicious dish. Don't worry, we're keeping things simple and accessible. Here's what you'll need. Nothing too exotic. Just everyday items you might already have in your pantry or can easily find at your local grocery store. 2 cans, 28 ounces each of crushed tomatoes, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced. These form the base of our dish, providing rich flavor and texture. 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon sugar. The broth adds depth, the olive oil brings a smooth richness, and the sugar balances the acidity of the tomatoes. And salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings will enhance the natural flavors of our ingredients. See? Nothing too fancy. Just good, honest ingredients ready to transform into a symphony of flavors. With these basics, we're set to create something truly special. So, let's get cooking and see the magic unfold. Now comes the fun part. Let's get cooking. There's nothing quite like the joy of creating a delicious meal from scratch. Today, we're making a classic comfort dish that warms the soul and delights the taste buds. First, grab a large pot and heat the olive oil over medium heat. Olive oil is a great base for many dishes, adding a rich, smooth flavor that enhances the other ingredients. Toss in the chopped onion and sauté for about 5 minutes, until it turns translucent and fragrant. Onions are the foundation of many recipes, providing a sweet and savory depth that builds the flavor profile. Next, add the minced garlic to the pot and cook for another minute, allowing the aroma to fill your kitchen. Garlic adds a wonderful pungency and complexity to the dish. Then pour in the crushed tomatoes, chicken, or vegetable broth, sugar, salt, and pepper. The tomatoes bring a vibrant acidity, while the broth adds a savory depth. A touch of sugar balances the acidity, and the salt and pepper season the soup perfectly. Bring this beautiful mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This simmering process is crucial as it allows the ingredients to meld together, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. This allows the flavors to meld and deepen. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors will develop, making the soup richer and more delicious. Once the soup has simmered, use an immersion blender or carefully transfer it to a regular blender to achieve that smooth and creamy texture. Blending the soup ensures that all the ingredients are perfectly combined, giving it a luxurious consistency. And that's it! Your homemade tomato soup is ready to be ladled into bowls and enjoyed. Serve it with a side of crusty bread or a grilled cheese sandwich for the ultimate comfort meal. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor every spoonful of this delightful soup. See, I told you it was easy. Making this tomato soup is not only simple but also incredibly rewarding. This quick and delicious tomato soup is perfect for a light lunch, a comforting dinner, or even a late-night snack. Imagine coming home after a long day and having a warm bowl of this soup waiting for you. Pair it with a grilled cheese sandwich for the ultimate comfort food experience. The crispy, buttery bread and the gooey cheese perfectly complement the rich, tangy tomato soup. Now go forth and spread the tomato soup love. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for a group, this recipe is sure to bring smiles to everyone's faces. Share this recipe with your friends and family, and make it a tradition to cook and enjoy it together. And don't forget to let me know how your culinary adventure turns out. Your feedback and stories make this journey even more special. Happy cooking, and may your kitchen be filled with love and laughter.